Greetings and salutations. My name is Tish and welcome to the Artist Haven. In today's video, I'm going to be using this color palette and I'm going to be using Mixed Media Girl's dual chambered cup that she has on her website. I will put links for that down in the description. I've got my paints all ready, so let's get down to it. All right, I have a 12 by 12 canvas here and my turntable, but I'm going to move these two things out of the way for the moment. And we are going to layer this cup. I'm going to put my background color, this beautiful-ish dark blue black, and this beautiful kind of creamy beige color on one side. And then I'm going to do all my oranges and reds on the other side. And hopefully we will create a ring of fire. All right, let's get this cup ready. Then we'll bring in the canvas and get our base on that, and then we'll do this pour. I'm bringing in my handy dandy knitting needle, and we're going to do a little wrecking right here because I don't like how this is all gray. All right, let's give it a spin. Okay, I'm not liking that, but you know what we can do? I'm going to take a little bit of this orange and a little bit of the red. We're going to add some of the white. And scoop this up with the knitting needle. There we go. I'm going to give it one more spin, just gentle. There we go. I like it. So let's torch this. I'm going to give it one little gentle tip this way. going to give it one more gentle spin. There we go. Now I like it. And there you have it. A modified, wrecked tree ring pour using Mixed Media Girls dual chamber cup. You can get it in the description down below. And if you want to use this color palette in a challenge with us, please join us on the Artist Haven Facebook group or check out the community tab. The palette is there so you can mix and match your colors to match these. Thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate you. Remember, be kind to one another. Peace, love, and happiness.